looking crazy. I put on my eyebrows, but I put on a mascara because I really didn't feel like it, but it is what it is, okay?
Damn, my diamonds cold. Damn, my golden clothes. Walking in this a show. Walking in this a show. Flashlight, 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 yeah.
What's good, everybody? Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Ashanterene. If you guys are new here, welcome back or welcome. So for today's video, we're gonna be doing episode 2 of recreating Pinterest curly hairstyles. So I saw this one and I was like, I have to do it because I know I'll be able to keep this in my hair for a couple of days. So my hair is not washed, but I did co-wash and condition my hair. So it is still wet. It's detangled and everything. I'm gonna be posting the picture that I'll be recreating here. And yeah, hers, I'm not sure if she has extensions or if those are twists, but from the looks of it, it looks like she had just blow dried her hair and did it. So with my hair, I'm not gonna blow dry it. I don't wanna put any heat on it. I wanna use this as a protective hairstyle. So I'll be using this. I don't know if it's gonna focus. I'll be using some Dew Grow hair oil and just some grease inside of my hair, as well as some Eco Styler to do my edges. So I'm gonna do a couple of on camera and then I'm gonna fast forward the whole thing and show you guys what the end results look like, so you guys aren't sitting here watching the whole thing. But before I get started, I am going to section my hair off little by little and put grease in it, and then I am going to put oil on it when it is fully done. So here goes my hair now. It is kind of dry. Like, my hair is kind of dry right now. So I hope this like restores some moisture in my hair. My biggest thing right now is trying to put as much protein and moisture back in my hair. Ever since I dyed my hair, I don't want it to dry. I don't want it to be dry and break off. Like, I would die, literally. All right, so of course, brushing my hair, I'm using my denim brush and I'm starting from the bottom and working my way up to the roots. And I personally like to go section by section because I don't like to pull my hair out. I don't know if y'all ever have like that one crazy nap and it just like yanks the whole thing out. All right. Oh, also, she had these things in her hair. So I'm gonna put these in at the end as well, just to give my hair a little jazzle, little bling bling, okay? All right, so starting with some grease. Again, I'm gonna go by section, and I think I'll just do this bottom portion on camera, and then like I said, I'll fast forward everything and show you guys the end results of how mine looks. Also, if y'all have any like recommendations or like links or anything that y'all would like me to recreate and you see it on Pinterest, definitely let me know. Comment below, let me know, because honestly it's a struggle trying to find some stuff on there, because like I don't know if like okay, first off, I don't know how to braid. Like, I'm not a good braider, so I mean, I am willing to learn, but if it is an easy and like super quick little hairstyle that y'all see, let me know. Or if I can keep it in my hair like this one, let me know. I'm gonna start with the first one, and it's basically like a 2-strand twist. So I'm just gonna do a I'm gonna do a 2-strand twist all around my head, and then when I get to the front, I'm just gonna do my baby hairs and like swoop them up and, you know, make them look extra bomb. Okay, so parting it, and I'm making sure my roots especially have a lot of grease in it, grabbing the two and just twisting it over. Okay, so there goes the first strand. So I'm gonna do my whole head like this, and we're gonna see how this looks. I don't know about y'all, but like for me, it is harder to do my own hair with nails on than it is with somebody else. I don't know what it is. Like if I were to do like my daughter's hair or something, I could do her hair easy with nails on, but mine, Okay, so here is 2 of them done so far. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the rest of my head, and I will be back when I am done with the whole thing. So I'll see y'all at the very end. Okay, honestly, now that I'm thinking about it, she had hers in like bigger twists. Let me make sure. Okay, yeah. So she had hers in like bigger twists. So I'm gonna try and make mine bigger, which I actually like too, because I don't wanna sit here for too long trying to make tiny twists all throughout my head. So actually going from when I grab some more hair out of my bun, I'm gonna make sure I do them bigger. So we'll see how that looks. The end result of the large twist with the jewelry on it. I think this is super cute. Now that I added the jewelry on it, I love it, especially when like my makeup is done and I'm feeling all cute with my earrings and stuff on. This is super cute. If you want a quick 30-minute hairstyle, do this, because honestly I'm debating on if I want to even take it out tomorrow just to like show you guys how it's gonna look out. I think I might keep this in for my hair for at least 2 days and then take it out, and then we're gonna see how my curls are. So I definitely will keep you guys updated on that. And if you guys like this video, make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. Leave me a comment down below of a link or a hairstyle that you guys would like me to make next for episode 3 on recreating Pinterest curly hairstyles. So I'll see y'all next time in my next video. Bye!
I don't wanna be your side. Rather be your main thing. Let's jump in a pool, let's